Hey guys, welcome back to another Dollar Tree Shop with Me video. So first thing I found, these are still some like Valentine's Day items that I hadn't posted yet. I actually found this adorable Valentine's Day tree. I only saw this at one Dollar Tree location, but it's like all these little felt hearts. I just thought it was really cute with the little heart on top. Then I found these adorable new garden gnomes, and they were so cute. I love when they put out the spring items. By the way, sorry if you hear a little tapping in the back. I have my crock pot on, so sorry if you could hear it, and it's making some noises. Okay, so here are just some more of the fairy garden items, and these are so cute. I need to actually make a fairy garden. I don't know where I would do it because I don't have a front yard, but love this one with the little hydrangeas. Moving over to this little Dollar Tree Plus section they had. They didn't have a big one at this store. I found some cute bunnies. This was my favorite Easter basket. Oh my goodness, I wanted this for myself. They also had that in pink, and then they had some like Elmo ones. So if you're looking for an Easter basket, check out Dollar Tree Plus. These are some more signs they had, like welcome signs. I thought that was cute. It said hop on in. String lights for $5 with little glittery eggs. They had these carrot and bunny ones. This is a name brand find that I saw in the toy section randomly. This is from a brand that you usually find at TJ Maxx or Marshall's called Apana, and basically it's like this little yoga kneeling mat. So I thought that was a really cool find. Again, don't know why they put it in the toy section, but there we go. It's like a workout item. Onto the storage section, they have new storage finds. Someone actually told me this was from Bed Bath & Beyond, this brand, Simply Essential, but I love these organizers. I also saw this adorable welcome sign. This glitter glue was new. I had not seen this before. I always love showing you guys some new stuff I find in the craft section. Like they had some cute new fabrics. They also had these new little tea light holders for candles, and these definitely kind of reminded me of like their bee collection because the whole honeycomb thing. Some craft glitter pots, these Rae Dunn little lookalikes. Another craft find, these pliers for jewelry making. Then onto some books. I found this really cool Smart Plants book. I love finding recipe books at Dollar Tree. It's just amazing that the value that you can find. So I just showed you guys some different pages so you can kind of read through if you want to pause the video and take a look. But here's just what some of the pages look like. Lots of recipes, and I love this kind of stuff. And then this is a real food meal planner that I thought was cool. 100 days of real food. Cut out processed food. I just thought it was so interesting. So again, just showing you guys what the meal planner looked like. And this is a bottle breast pump cleaner. I also found these Be Pure hydrating gloves and foot mask along with this hair mask, which I thought was really cool. This hydrating gel cream from Spascriptions is so good. If you guys find this, pick it up. It's a name brand find, and it is really, really nice. This is the new Be Pure Olay Regenerous dupe lookalike, whatever you want to call it. So this is the hydrating night cream. I've heard great things so far about this, and it is fragrance and phthalate free. I also found their new clean beauty line, which I'm so excited about. So this is actually a dupe for the Tower 28 lip jelly, and whenever I find stuff like this, I just think I cannot wait to share with my subscribers. So this is like more of a nude color, and here's another nude shade, and it's actually really good. I tried this already, and I will make another video on YouTube. I did one for TikTok. This is the Clean Beauty lipstick in the shade nude, and it's vegan, and it has raspberry and argan oil. This is the red shade. It has that kind of like papery looking packaging. So I definitely had high hopes for this collection. I was so excited to find this lip color and cream blush duo. This is in the shade Late Night. This is definitely giving me some Stila vibes, like the convertible color. I feel like that's what this was a dupe for. This color is gorgeous. It's called Fun in the Sun. I love how bright it is. And we love that this is a multi-purpose 2-in-1 product. So those are the two colors side by side. This is a new color in the Essentially Ageless line from Dollar Tree. I did a whole video on this line. These blushes are amazing. This is the new shade Poppy Pink, and you guys know I had to pick this up to try it out with you. In the food section, I found this name brand Betty Crocker Count Chocula cookie mix, and they also had this new Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust seasoning blend. It's basically just cinnamon, salt, and yeah, that's about it. Sugar. I actually went ahead and I came home and I was like, I'm gonna make this myself. I put monk fruit sweetener and I have Ceylon cinnamon. I made my own. And then I went to another Dollar Tree and found these adorable new spring signs. Look at the little trucks. They're so cute. And then this store did have a Dollar Tree Plus section, and I loved these eggs with the flowers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And they also had these ones that were, what'd you call this? Like jute. Then they had these little bunny tiered trays. And they had these in quite a few colors for $5. I loved this mint color. Onto the hair section, I found some cute new headbands that had pearls on them. These are the Gimme Shower hairbands. These are really nice. These Yardley disposable washcloths. These would be great for like a on-the-go kind of gym or car situation. Okay, on to my next store. I found tons of Easter signs. So I just wanted to show you guys all the cute Easter signs and kind of give you an overview so you could shop with me. These are really funny. I found these St. Patrick's Day fanny packs in a few different colors. They really amped up the St. Patrick's Day stuff this year. This is the most I've ever seen them have. We have some new St. Patrick's Day little signs, trucks, campers. We have St. Patrick's Day gnomes. And then I found the candlesticks that I love, except they came in gold now. So I have the black ones on my TV stand. And then I also noticed they had new scents in the bubble candles. I have one of these and I feel like it's just too pretty to burn, so I just leave it as decor. But I really think these are so cute. And they have like kind of an aesthetic look to them. This one's vanilla. I don't know what the scent on that one was. It didn't have a label. I was beyond impressed with how cute these notebooks were, like this velvet with the gold, and then this one had like a leather kind of look to it, and I just thought these were so chic. This one as well, it had like a leathery look to it, very high-end looking. I found this Target book in the book section. Just so many books. Like I always get so excited to look through and see what I can find, and I do buy books at Dollar Tree. If you have a favorite book that you found at Dollar Tree, please comment down below the title and let us know, and maybe we can find it or read it ourselves. Next up is such a cool find. They have these push to start rhinestone bling. I actually got one of these. So you basically just put it on your push to start button, and it just adds a little bit of bling and sparkle, and it is so cute, and they actually give you 2 in the pack. Okay, I found the cutest little bag. I love this because it felt much higher quality than we usually see at Dollar Tree. Just wish it was a little bigger, but I did pick one up. I found some new headbands. I feel like I find new hair accessories at every Dollar Tree I go to, so you guys know I have to show you everything I find. So here's some of the new headbands and hair accessories. Of course, we have some new scrunchies. I really like the Dollar Tree scrunchies. I feel like they hold up really well. Now the claw clips, I feel like they don't hold up as well. They break really easily, but of course I still end up buying them, like the crazy person I am. Onto some beauty finds, just a couple lip glosses here. Okay, then I went to another store. I went to so many stores. This is the new spring dish collection, which is really cute. You guys know I don't love the writing on these, but I prefer it to be, I like the flowers, but not the writing. So like something like this is more up my alley. Always love the cereal bowls. I use those all the time. And then the matching towels were really cute for spring. Then we have some really like sage green colored plates. I thought these were so pretty. I loved them. Onto the beauty section. Oh my gosh, you guys, can't wait to show you. I found first of all these name brand fake nails, which was really cool and I had not seen before. Wait till you see what I found. Okay, I was just browsing and I spotted these bio blenders from ECOTOOLS. It's like a little cleansing mitt and I thought this was so cool. So they had a ton of them and you can actually plant those. Okay, are you ready for this? I found Real Techniques, you guys, at Dollar Tree. This is the Miracle Mixing Sponge. So it's like a little silicone guy on top, and then you have the rest of the bottom is the Real Techniques regular sponge. These go for like $5 to $7 at Ulta. So I was completely shocked. You guys know I had to pick up a couple of these. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they had these at Dollar Tree. I was jumping up and down. They also had this Real Techniques cleansing sponge, which has like collagen in it. It's a skincare sponge you can use for exfoliating your skin, put it as a part of your like whole skincare routine. I just thought that was so cool. And then they had this sponge also for skincare. This is like another cleansing and exfoliating sponge. And it actually has probiotics in it. I thought this would also be cool for exfoliating your body, like in the shower before you do a self-tan. But can you guys believe that I found Real Techniques sponges at Dollar Tree? I hope you can find them too. There's a new LA Colors collection, which is absolutely adorable. This is their new peach collection. Cheeky Peach, this is a lip and cheek, like, changes with the temperature. This is another one that's like for your pH color. And then this is like a little lip gloss lipstick. And then this blush was absolutely adorable. It also changes with the pH of your body. And it's like so cute and sparkly. I can't wait to try it. And then a couple other little finds. These are just like some spring finds. They have a lot of bee-themed stuff this year, which I thought was really cute. Here are some little flags. We have some bee signs like be blessed, let it be happy. And of course, this video is chock full of Easter stuff. So here is some more Easter finds that I saw at another Dollar Tree location. So it seems like for every season they're coming out with stuff for decorating the little mini tree. So this is all the mini tree stuff and ornaments and garlands that I found for the Easter tree. Okay, you guys, I had tried to have a Valentine's Day tree. My cat was eating it, so I couldn't even keep it out. I was so sad, but I had fun decorating it. So here's some garland that they had, and here's the actual Easter tree. It's kind of like a iridescent color, which is cute. These are some gnome ornaments. So I feel like you can make this tree absolutely adorable with all the little egg ornaments. And then here are some more Easter signs that I found. And here's the actual tree. Always love finding name brand cereals. This is Reese's Puffs from the Halloween time. This Creeper cereal. And I actually found these name brand packs of spoons and forks. These would be great if you're going to a bridal shower. So look at all those forks you get. And the back, I think it said like 2014. I mean, spoons don't go bad, so the year doesn't really matter. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at Dollar Tree. Let me know what you guys found in the comments. Hope you loved this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.